it do, what it be like? It's your girl Jay, and we're back with the lunch break. So today we have on the menu, I have some macaroni and cheese. This is what I made last night to go with my seafood boil. I have some mussels. I also have some potatoes, and I have some snow crab, corn, and I have eggs that I made this morning for breakfast. They're not boiled or scrambled, but I wanted eggs and I wanted seafood. And last night I made the whole seafood boil. I put up the video showing you guys how I did that. But I didn't record eating it because I was spending time with my family for New Year's. So here we are with the leftovers. What do you have today, son?
I have an egg sandwich.
So he has an egg sandwich for breakfast. And yeah, we're gonna dig in. Where'd you get your drink?
Oh, I also have sparkling water. Sure.
No? I have this coconut water. That's what I'm gonna be drinking.
Ooh, it's falling out.
Ooh. That was like easy to open. Oh, I forgot I had that ginger ale in my cup last night.
Yeah, last night.
See a piece of the coconut in there?
Mm-hmm.
This is my coconut water I have. It has pulp.
Coconut pulp. Taste it? I don't know if had
It's slightly sweet. I mean, it tastes good though.
I can taste it.
You want to try a sip? You got some in your cup? Oh.
In my cup.
I got a whole can right here.
Alright,
We'll get you a cup in a minute and let's try some. But we're gonna dig into this food.
Alright.
And get some eggs. I'm hungry. So welcome you guys. It's New Year's. Happy New Year's. Yeah, just stand up, take a bite for real.
I had to lean over.
I love scrambled eggs. They're always seasoned so well.
Yeah, I always season so well.
The macaroni was good too. You want a macaroni?
Alright. Good. Alright.
Macaroni is good. So how you guys doing? What you guys say to people?
Comment down your New Year's resolution. If you don't comment down anything, you are planning to do, for the New Year's. Wait, take this. Is that the shell in half?
Yeah, there's macaroni in it.
Oh.
Yeah, so how you guys doing today? When you're seeing this, it's probably gonna be probably gonna be Thursday. Yeah, so hold on, what is today?
Wednesday.
I'm so confused because my days off changed, and so I'm like back a day, forward a day. So confused.
So, yeah. For us right now, the video will be most likely published tomorrow, but we're making the video today. So it's gonna be published the day after the video is made.
He thinks he knows what he's talking about because he does his own YouTube stuff, so he thinks he knows.
Also, shameless plug.
Really? You really?
I'm gonna do it. I started streaming on Twitch. Me playing games like Fortnite and other games. If you want to maybe follow my channel, watch my streams. It's LowT1212. If you guys want to watch that, that would be great. I stream as much as I can through the week, up to at least an hour or two. But yeah, if you guys want to watch me, follow me, and
So what game do you play?
I play Fortnite. Other games I'm looking to. I'm trying to switch up once in a while.
So yesterday for the New Year, I did have lobster included with the seafood boil. First time ever cooking it, first time eating a lobster tail. And let me tell you, I did not like it.
What?
I didn't like it.
I liked it.
It was sweet and it was thick and so no, I'm not a fan of lobster tail. I'm not really a fan of snow crab either, but I mean, it's okay. I was reading something and there was a tip to add vinegar to your boil. Oh, excuse me. I guess it makes the crab easier to crack, and I guess it worked.
Not for me. That claw, yeah, last night I had a claw, I could not open it.
He just didn't see what he needed to do, which would have been to crack it with his teeth.
I'm not gonna lose a tooth. I'm not gonna.
I cracked mine with my teeth, and it was fine.
Okay. The claw?
Yeah.
I'm scared of losing teeth.
Yeah, see? Crack some, just no, and then it's not gonna come out.
Yeah, I love that. When you crack it open and then you pull it out and all of it comes out. That's just satisfying to me.
And it was working last night, but here we are today with this stubborn piece of snow crab. And that background noise you hear, that's my daughter over there cracking her own snow crab. She didn't want to be in the video. And she just buoyed me. Really? Yeah, this snow crab, it's giving me a run for my money. Okay, it's just not coming out today.
I mean, I tried two crabs, two types of crab. I usually try snow crab. I also tried blue crab.
Yeah, we did have the blue crab.
The experience of blue crab is, it tastes good, but it's to me it's not good because like it's really like I would say small, and it doesn't give you that satisfying you get to pull it out. It's really soft, so like you can't pull it all out. You have to at least like open the leg and eat out the leg. But you can't. I just need my favorite part of crab. One of my favorite parts of crab.
Was pulling the big chunks out. Yeah, and he's like his father with the blue crab. They don't want nothing they gotta fight for. I mean, if it tastes good, I'll fight for it. But I've just never been a crab person. Like I don't know. I never loved crab. We used to. Oh, I swear, when I was younger, we ate crab legs with shrimp and steak and baked potatoes at least twice a week. And so by the time I became an adult, I'm like, I'm so over crab. But this is like my first time having crab in like what? When we went to our lobster, they didn't even have any. Y'all got some.
Yeah.
I want to say it's probably been about.
The last time you made it, the blue crab.
That was the blue crab. I ate a little bit of that. But like so snow crab, it's been like 5 or 6 years, maybe even longer.
Wow.
And this crab is still not coming out. You know what? I'm done fighting with it. I'm moving on back to my eggs.
Hold up, fork.
Hey, give me a paper towel, please.
There is none.
We have a whole package just right there by the forks. And you guys, the sauce.
I received it. I received it.
I would hope you do. So I made this seafood sauce to go with my seafood. And I made it in a separate bowl. And after we dunked in it last night, I just ended up pouring all of it over the seafood and the potatoes. Why? The sauce? Why? What's wrong with it? Okay, I have somebody that didn't like the sauce. It was good. It was good. For the sauce, I think I put in coarse butter, chicken broth, some bunch of different other seasonings. Yeah, me and this crab leg are having the roughest time ever. He doesn't like me. Oh, there we go. After all that.
We got it.
And then I just flung some all in my juice, in my water.
Ew.
I know, right?
Look at the water. I don't know water.
Crabby coconut water. I'm making sure I get all the meat after that fight. I want everything. I want it all. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, excuse the hair situation. I just woke up.
So did I.
My day off, I just woke up. You got a lot to say. I just tell people hi. You have the same situation I do.
Yeah, but it's straightened.
Hey.
But it's still the cap. But it's still in the hair cap.
Yeah.
And you're in the same situation. Not the same situation, but you know what I mean.
And you would think this would be like a weird food combination. It's not. I mean,
It is.
it tastes, it's good. Like you got the scrambled eggs, macaroni and cheese. It's not weird at all. Here's my other piece of crab that I didn't finish getting all the meat out of.
Okay, thinking of that being weird, and that made me talk about something. This might be an unpopular opinion, I don't know, but I feel like waffles and chicken tenders is more of a breakfast item than like a dinner item. You know what I mean? Or a lunch item.
Well,
you know, cause you don't eat waffles for lunch. I mean, you know, you can eat chicken tenders for lunch and breakfast.
yeah, you can. I mean, you can eat anything you want for breakfast. You can have a big bowl of ice cream if you want for breakfast.
Just getting waffles. You don't know that I'm from YouTube? They were fighting in waffle.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh.
Just slow roll myself.
Yeah.
But I have to agree. I think it's. I would eat that more for breakfast.
I'm not saying that you have to eat it for breakfast, but I'm saying that, you know, traditionally.
It seems like a breakfast item.
Yeah, it seems like a breakfast item.
I agree.
But where I grew up in my school, they use it as like a lunch item.
Chicken and waffles?
Mm-hmm.
You have chicken and waffles for lunch?
They
Yeah.
have it at my
Yum, really?
with syrup.
That's pass me with the syrup, but that sounds yummy.
Yeah.
Makes sense. They didn't have the syrup in it.
Sorry.
Juicy corn.
I know. Got all of you.
It's crispy.
I did. You did.
What's crispy?
His eyes. Yes, so stuff like eyes.
They're crispy?
I just woke up. Yes, I did. I really did.
So I just shot you all in the face with the corn juice.
Okay, that's how you definitely did.
Sorry.
You moved extra fast.
That time, I felt it. And my forehead.
My bad.
Oh, don't know back in order.
Are you
Yeah.
doing an ASMR over there?
No, she's just eating corn.
It sounds
Yeah, she over here working my nerves as usual.
I'm the only good child. I'm playing. We're all amazing children.
I'm still a good child, even though I moved the chair.
What?
That's that for a story time. My daughter's evil.
Oh, ha 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 ha. We should do that more often. Story time.
Can I explain it right now in the background?
No, 'cause we can't hear you.
Oh, they can't?
No, you have to have.
The mic's over here.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, come over here. Want to?
I mean, I can sit under the table and they can hear it.
Okay.
Really?
On the table.
I don't know. I was just playing the other.
Okay.
You like it's not. I mean, you like it's odd for you to sit on the table. You always sit on the table.
It's hard to explain because it was back in 7th.
Yeah,
And
like.
I forgot a little bit. I just know I moved the chair and the way he fell back. He moved the other chair.
We gonna
I'm
say
trying
that
to
for
eat without
dying
choking.
or choking. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think that's the teacher that got arrested or whatever.
Yeah, I saw him.
Ooh. That teacher got arrested?
Yeah, the one that I moved the chair.
No, he didn't.
That's why I did this.
Stretching.
Let's pray that I won't have macaroni and cheese.
So,
Because we're getting a new mathematician teacher this semester. Now I want mathematician. But my thing said I have Spanish 20.
situations.
So let's pray.
If you haven't noticed, we changed our recording area. It used to be in the table. Now we have a whole couch.
That's a neck.
Yes, we have a whole couch here. And yeah, we just changed the recording area of where we're recording.
Yeah,
And
that was fast. I just now looked over. You got done. Was it good? No, I'm sorry.
She always got a lot to say about what I'm doing.
yeah, probably.
It was good.
Ooh, how's the
It was
lemon
delicious.
candy canes?
Lemon
was
head candy canes?
Nutritious.
On the bottom of the... How's the lemon candy canes? Are they good? They are?
Oh, what's happening?
I just don't like the fact that it's a little sweet. Like it's just kind of weird. But yeah, I'm full.
I guess it's over now. Time to close out.
This child,
This child is-
she's rough.
KFC time. That's what you already ate.
Lori, you alright?
Told you it was nasty.
I felt something to my lip. It wasn't water. I'm sorry, I spilled a little bit on the couch.
A little bit.
That's not a lot. What is that?
It's your cup. And it smells like corn that flew away.
That could be corn. It's been 21 minutes and 28.
Yes, you've been recording for.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching.
Wrapping
Food was
it up.
delicious.
It was awesome.
If you do me a favor, I need you to
Continue.
You have to try it again because your fingers in the
No,
way.
you don't.
Yes, you do.
thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Comment down below your New Year's resolution, or if you just want to say hi, please subscribe, click the bell to be notified, and we will be back with another video.